Hey there, explorers! Wondering where this spring break could take you? Imagine uncovering the world's most exhilarating destinations without even needing a passport, or dancing under the stars on beaches where the party never stops. Could there be hidden spots where your dollar stretches further, or exotic locales in Europe and Asia that are just waiting to be explored? Whether you're in college, are a family, or solo, we're about to unveil a lineup of spring break havens that are not just trips, but transformative experiences. Are you ready to discover where this spring break could whisk you away to? Passport-free getaways. First, let's start with destinations so stunning you won't believe you can visit them without a passport. Let's jet off. Kauai, Hawaii. Best for couples. Kauai whispers sweet nothings to couples with its secret waterfalls and secluded beaches. Imagine you and your boo surfing by day and cuddling up for sunsets that look like they're straight out of a movie. Who needs a passport when you've got paradise? San Juan, Puerto Rico. Best for explorers. Gear up! San Juan's calling with its colourful streets, spicy nightlife, and beaches that sparkle like treasure. Dive into history. Salsa your way through the night and let Puerto Rico's comeback story and beauty inspire you. San Diego, California. Best for friends. Rally the crew and head to San Diego, where the sun's always shining and the vibes are as chill as the surf. Kayak with sea lions. Stroll Balboa Park. Munch on fish tacos and explore the nightlife in the Gaslamp Quarter. It's the friendcation your squad's been dreaming of. Vail, Colorado. Best for families. Swap beach balls for snowballs in Vail, where families find their happy place among the snowy peaks and cozy lodges. Ski, tube, and hot cocoa your way through a winter wonderland that'll make you forget all about sandy toes. The Outer Banks, North Carolina. Best for budget travelers. Stretch your dollars in the Outer Banks, where the beaches are endless and the rental homes are a steal. It's the chill hiatus your wallet will thank you for, with sunrises and wild horses as your daily entertainment. Yosemite National Park, California. Best for nature lovers. Embrace the call of the wild in Yosemite, where waterfalls roar like spring breakers and the trails offer vistas that'll make your heart skip a beat. It's Mother Nature's way of showing off, and trust us, she's got moves. Nashville, Tennessee. Best for music lovers. Hit the high notes in Nashville, the city that never misses a beat. From boot-stomping honky-tonks to lip-smacking barbecue, it's a melody of fun and flavors that'll have you singing its praises long after your vacation ends. South Padre Island, Texas. Best for parties. Unleash your wild side on South Padre Island, where the beach parties are legendary and the margaritas flow like water. It's the spring break hotspot that turns every moment into a fiesta. Just don't forget to drink some actual water every now and then. Seattle, Washington. Best for city lovers. Find your vibe in Seattle, where coffee is king and the culture is cooler than a rainy day in the Pacific Northwest. From iconic markets like Pike Place to indie shops and the iconic Space Needle, it's an urban adventure that'll caffeinate your soul. College students' top destinations. Next, let's turn the volume up and dive into the heart of the action. College students, if you're seeking unforgettable nights and sun-drenched days, these are the places you've got to go to. Cancun, Mexico. Cancun reigns supreme as the quintessential spring break destination, where the beaches are as hot as the nightclubs. Prepare for an epic week of sun, fun, and memories that'll make your social media pop. Who could resist the crystal clear waters and great weather? Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Jump into the heart of the fiesta in Puerto Vallarta, where the beaches party by day and the city sizzles by night. It's your tropical ticket to a week off that's lit from dawn till dusk. Spend your time partying, shopping, ATVing, swimming with dolphins, or skydiving, just to name a few. Nassau, Bahamas. Nassau's where you'll find the beach vibes and nightlife colliding in a symphony of Caribbean charm. From snorkeling adventures to dance floors that pulse with island rhythms, it's an experience you will never forget. Who doesn't want to relax on the beach or ride the waves by jet ski in this tropical paradise? Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. In Punta Cana, luxury meets party. With resorts where the party comes to you beachside, poolside, anywhere. You'll experience a spring break wrapped in white sands, turquoise waters, and all-inclusive bliss. The palm trees and pina coladas are calling. Are you ready to indulge? Montego Bay, Jamaica. Feel the rhythm in Montego Bay, where reggae beats, rum cocktails, and ocean waves set the pace for a perfect spring vacation. Dive into the vibrant culture, savor jerk spices, and let the night take you away. Trust me, here the vibes are as smooth as the sand in between your toes. Miami Beach, Florida. Turn up the heat in Miami Beach. Your week off is about to get a glam makeover. From lavish pool parties to iconic clubs in South Beach, prepare for days in the sun and nights in the spotlight. Miami Beach awaits with open arms and a party spirit. South Padre Island, Texas. Let's take this party up a notch, because everyone knows everything is bigger in Texas. South Padre Island gears up for spring vacation with non-stop entertainment. Embrace the ultimate beach party experience with concerts, contests, and more under the Texan sun. You ready to make some waves? Las Vegas, Nevada. If you love big cities, neon lights, and non-stop parties, then Las Vegas will be your dream stop. Daytime pool parties and nightclubs offer endless entertainment options. In Vegas, the adventures are as limitless as the city's lights. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Am I right? Panama City Beach, Florida. Panama City Beach is the heart of spring break, pulsing with beachfront concerts and sun-kissed days. Pack your sunscreen, because PCB is where legends are made. Have you been here to experience the celebration before? Under the radar adventures. Now, who says you need to break the bank to have an epic spring break? Not us. Let's sneak away from the mainstream and uncover 5 under-the-radar spots where the fun is affordable, the vibes are chill, and your wallet won't go on a diet. Santa Fe, New Mexico. Artistic adventures on a budget. Get lost in the magic of Santa Fe, where every corner turns into an Instagrammable art piece. Dive into Meow Wolf's kaleidoscope universe, munch on fusion cuisine, or hit the slopes without emptying your pockets. Plus, this is a great place to travel solo. Who knew saving money could look so artistic? Caye Caulker, Belize. Laid-back island life. Say yes to Caye Caulker, a slice of paradise where the pace is slow, but the parties are just right. Snorkel in the second largest barrier reef by day, and by night, let the ocean breeze carry you to beachfront bonfires. Affordable? Absolutely. Unforgettable? You bet. Montreal, Canada. European flair without the fare. Montreal is your ticket to feeling European without the hefty price tag. Feast on poutine, dance at the Montreal en Lumière Festival, and explore artsy alleyways. It's the cultural concoction that's easy on the wallet, but rich in experiences. Portland, Oregon. Hip vibes and thrifty thrills. Welcome to Portland, where the donuts are weird, the gardens are zen, and the adventures are endless. This city proves that great food, lush parks, and quirky shops can all be enjoyed on a shoestring budget. Portland keeps it weird, but never pricey. European spring musts. Grab your passports, because we're hopping over to where history and modern vibes dance in the streets. From the sunny shores of Spain to the charming canals of the Netherlands, let's give this break a European twist. Lees, Netherlands. Imagine stepping into a world painted in every colour imaginable. That's Lees during tulip season. It's a technicolor dream that makes you wonder if you've walked into a painting. Bring your camera and rent a bike for an up-close and personal experience. Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon is a city that parties like a metropolis but feels like a village. With its trams, Miradoro, and custard tarts, you'll be coming back for seconds. The seafood's fresh, the views are dizzying, and the nights are just getting started. Sardinia, Italy. Sardinia is an escape to the kind of blue you've never seen before. It's where Italian charm meets the Mediterranean lifestyle, and every beach is a postcard waiting to happen. Seafood, sailing, and siestas, Sardinia does it best. Zadar, Croatia. Zadar has the market cornered on sunsets and music. It's a city that sings to you, literally. The streets are ancient, but the vibe is fresh. Come for the sunset, stay for the sea organ concert, and live for the nightlife. Sofia, Bulgaria. Sofia is the underdog of European spring breaks, where your money stretches and the mountains call. It's a city where history buffs, spa lovers, and party animals all find common ground. And yes, the nightlife is legendary. Faru, Sweden. Faru isn't just a destination, it's a departure from the ordinary. With stark landscapes and the eerie beauty of the sea stacks, it's a place for soul-searching, stargazing, and filmmaker fangirling. Berlin, Germany. Berlin is where sleep goes to die, and parties live forever. It's a city that's as famous for its history as it is for its techno clubs. Whether you're here to dance till dawn or soak in the culture, Berlin says, why not both? Valencia, Spain. Dive headfirst into Valencia's Las Fallas, where the city is always lit with fireworks, feasts, and fiery sculptures. Oh, and the festivals? They're a challenge to see if you can keep up with the Spaniards. Spoiler, the nights are long, the memories are unforgettable, and the siestas are non-existent. You up for it? The Lake District, United Kingdom. Pack your hiking boots for the Lake District, where the mountains meet the sky and the lakes mirror the world. It's a nature lover's paradise with a side of cosy British pubs. After a day of exploring, who wouldn't want a pint by the fire? Lake Bled, Slovenia. Lake Bled is where fairy tales come to life. With a church on an island and a castle on a cliff, it's the kind of place you didn't think existed outside storybooks. Rowing here feels like paddling through a dream. Just watch out for the dragons. Asia's spring destinations. After that European dream, let's give your break one more twist. I'm thinking cherry blossoms, powdered paint, monasteries, and maybe even some hot air balloons. Oh, we're coming for you, Asia. Delhi, India. Delhi is a whirlwind of colours, chaos, and curries. Ready for flavours that dance on your tongue and bazaars that dazzle? Dive into the Holi Festival, where the air is thick with joy and powdered paint. Expect to leave a lot more colourful than you arrived. Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. Sail into a postcard in Ha Long Bay, where limestone cliffs rise from emerald waters. Kayak through caves, feast on fresh seafood, and let the bay's mystical beauty sweep you off your feet. You'll feel like you're in a real-life fantasy. Kyoto, Japan. Step into a living painting in Kyoto during cherry blossom season. It's where temples hold secrets, gardens are masterpieces, and the sakura frame every scene. Wear a kimono, sip matcha, and let the city teach you the art of Zen. We all want our vacation to last longer, and Kyoto is the perfect place to slow things down. Burma, Myanmar. Burma is where adventure goes to get lost and find itself again among golden pagodas and floating gardens. Ride a hot air balloon over Bagan or navigate Inle Lake's stilt villages. It's untouched, unparalleled, and undeniably unforgettable. Bali, Indonesia. Bali is where your wildest Instagram dreams come true. Surf turquoise waves, explore ancient temples, and end your days with sunsets that set the sky aflame. From beach parties in Kuta to the serene rice terraces of Ubud, Bali is where every traveller finds their bliss. Luang Prabang, Laos. Luang Prabang is a time capsule of tranquility. Here, Buddhist temples meet French colonial charm. Wake up early to witness the almsgiving ceremony, chase waterfalls by day, and browse markets by night that offer a cultural experience you'll never forget. Chiang Mai, Thailand. Chiang Mai is a lantern-lit dream, found among mountains and ancient walls. Join the Songkran Water Festival for a splash, or find peace in a hilltop temple. It's a city that celebrates culture, cuisine, and connection. Goa, India. Goa is where the party meets the Arabian Sea, with beaches that stretch as far as the night. It's a blend of Portuguese heritage and Indian spice, of trance music and tranquility. In Goa, every sunset is a promise of a night to remember. Nepal. Nepal is an invitation to reach new heights. Literally, it's where you trek through the Himalayas, paraglide over Fiwa Lake, and discover cities where gods and mortals mingle. If you need an elevation of body, mind, and spirit, this is the place for you. I've got a feeling this spring break will be the best one yet. We all deserve a little break, don't you think? From the romantic beaches of Kauai to the colourful fields of Lys, there are a ton of beautiful places that will give you the hiatus of a lifetime. If you're feeling inspired to join us on more journeys, then sail over to the subscribe button and join our crew for non-stop adventures. Got a destination in your heart or a tale that's too good not to tell? Drop a pin in the comments section below and share your must-visit spots or unforgettable travel stories from your break. We can't wait to hear from you. Till next time, stay adventurous, stay curious, and keep exploring.